Hey, it is Febzpassion back again with another new video, and today we are going to be playing with no other than our eyebrows again. Beauty Big Bang sent me another package, and this time they allowed me to choose whatever product I want. I will link the Beauty Big Bang's website below in my description box if you want to check out their website and the products that I will be playing with in this video, and also make sure to use this code to get a 10% off. So the product that I have chosen from Beauty Big Bang is the accurate and convenient printed eyebrows. I've been wanting to try this so much. I've been seeing this a lot around the social media, and I really wanted to try it because it's like, who doesn't want to have an easy go eyebrows, you know, like especially with me, I have a lot to do with my eyebrows. VidDCon, printing pretty eyebrow. Oh, pretty eyebrows. Pretty eyebrows, not even pretty but pretty eyebrows. Probably pick the darkest one. This has no English instruction, so good luck to me about that because I don't know how to read Asian characters or Chinese characters. I don't know. So let's open this. Ooh, okay, that's what it's inside. Ooh. Whoa. That is the eyebrow stamp. That's the stamp. That's the shape that you can choose from. I have to show you like the other shape that they gave me. So this is the other eyebrow, and this is the smaller eyebrow. Look at that. I feel like this would fit my eyebrow, but this one is a little bit too short. This one ends only to here. So I probably will use this together and see how it will work. Open it. Oh. So this is the color right here, and this is the mirror, but I don't know why the mirror is really nothing. No sticker is coming off. Let's just turn it. Let's see the color. Oh, the color is dark enough. I think that would work on my eyebrows, but I don't think it's gonna completely cover the patches that I have on my eyebrows. This product claims is that it will give you an accurate and convenient printed eyebrows. This is the shape that I'm using. Let's stamp it. What? Am I supposed to wet this or what? So there's a little bit of pigment coming out of that now. Oh, it came off. This is not convenient in any way. So I think I have kind of enough pigment. I'm gonna try to align it along with the eyebrows that I have. So I'm gonna go here and then here. Okay, that's kind of like my eyebrow. I'm gonna try and move it so that I'm tapping off the product. Kind of worked, except for this part of my eyebrow isn't as sharp as I want it to be. The ends of the eyebrows doesn't look like it's sharp anyways. I'm gonna try and see if I can sharpen the edge of my eyebrow using this smaller, sharper brow stamp. I think it's kind of cool. All I need to do is I need to clean up this part. Well, first of all, it's definitely not accurate. I don't think it's convenient either, but it does work. I feel like the more practice, I'll be able to like make it work for me perfectly. I'm gonna try and wet this other stamp for my other eyebrow and see if it's way better than just having it dry. Just soak it. It's not soaking in water, so that's kind of wet now. I'm gonna see if it's it's not even getting any product in it. I have to like rub it like this in order for me to get the pigment I want. My expectation was that if I stamp it just like that, I'll get a pigment like this, but in reality I actually have to really rub it like this. I have a feeling that's gonna be way too dark. Okay, wish me luck. All right, okay. Slowly stamp it like that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like up there. This one didn't go too well. Oh. I think our generation has gotten so much more lazier when it comes to doing our makeup. So they create all these inventions to make our lives much more easier, but really doesn't really work that well. I feel like I did such a good job with this one. It's much better if you don't wet the product. Just go slow and easy while you're doing this. Don't press too hard or don't press too light. Just if you keep using it, then maybe you'll get better at using it and it'll be accurate and more convenient. So if you want to try this product out, I have the link to their website down in my description box. Before I close up this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you still haven't subscribed. And also, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.